I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
Yeah, I wanna take over. So guys, we're in San Francisco and we're trying to explore San Francisco at night. Yeah, the big man over there, his name is Richard. He's driving, so I can't interrupt him. So we're gonna hit San Francisco. Ensure you give this video a like, subscribe, check Richard's YouTube channel also. Maybe this video will be available there, parts 2 maybe. Yeah, so ensure you check his YouTube channel. Okay, so we're hitting the streets. The video is called Under Darkness, San Francisco.
Continue on Folsom Street for 3/4 of a mile.
Here we go. Look here.
I'll just stand here like you're. You just video them. You don't see me, right? You just stand there.
Yeah.
Oh, you stand there, pretend like you're.
Yeah.
Let me know if I'm on the way.
I think some girl has seen me.
Fix your belt. That's illegal. Come on.
Yeah.
You fix your seat.